So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the printer that you want to share. You're going to click on it. And now you're going to click on printer properties. And now you're going to click on the sharing tab. Make sure you have share this printer selected. Then you want to set your share name. And then you want to make sure you have rent to print jobs on client computers also selected. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you're in a public network, then you want to turn network discovery on and find the printer sharing on. If you're in a private network, you want to expand that and then do the same thing. Network discovery turned on. You want to tick set up network connected devices automatically. And then you want to turn on find the printer sharing. And now you're going to go to all networks. And then where it says file sharing connections, you're going to make this 128-bit encryption. And where it says password protected sharing, you're going to turn this off. And it's up to you what you want to do with this one. Public folder sharing, it's up to you. And that's how you do it.